everyone, and welcome to Exquisite Blossoms. And today we will be repotting Encyclia boothiana. So, let's begin. So I've been holding off on repotting this girl, but I've realized that she dries out pretty quick. And I watered this orchid on Friday. The medium doesn't look as dry, but her roots seem to dry out pretty quick. So let's see. She doesn't have much of a root system. She's still pretty tiny. So the medium was moist, but her roots seem to be a little dry. So when I repot this orchid, I will be repotting her in I will be repotting her in pumice and in self-watering as well. I'll be getting rid of some of these old dead roots from the previous growth, and then I'll go rinse her off and be right back. So from her previous growth, her oldest growth there, all her roots are pretty mushy. Okay, so she doesn't have much, but these are viable roots, and they're pretty dry. So this orchid will be put in a self-watering system, just because she tends to dry out really quick. And from what I can see, she is currently growing, so she might need the water, but she still needs to dry in between waterings. That's what I believe. On the little note here, it says that moderate to bright light, water generously, but let the orchid dry between watering. So let's see. She has been drying out pretty quick, so hopefully the self-watering helps out a little bit. So here we have Encyclia boothiana finally repotted. Oh, let's get that in there. And I must say, this must have been one of my quickest repot videos. And surprisingly, my kids were actually working with me, so I was actually able to get it done quicker than expected. So, if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope you have an exquisite day. Bye!